What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley Jade, if you don't know now you know, and today I'm going to be making an Easter cheesecake. So first I crushed up my Oreos. Then I melted 2 tablespoons of butter and poured it into my Oreos. Then I mixed it all together. If it's a bit too watery, just add more Oreo. Then I added the biscuit base to my tray and put it in the fridge. When the biscuit base was refrigerating, I made up my cheesecake mix. I used 2 cheesecake mixes and 2 cups of milk. Then mix it all together for 5 minutes. When it's done, divide it into 4 bowls. And add your food colour in. Then get your biscuit base back out of the fridge and add your cheesecake mix. I started with blue, then added green, yellow and pink. When it's done, pop it back in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Before you serve it, add whipped cream and your speckled eggs